What's up, everyone? We are so happy you're here. If you are watching right now, it says a lot about you as a person. It says that you're actively taking another step towards the best version of you. Today, we're diving into the science behind burning belly fat with a simple yet incredibly effective ab workout. We're breaking down why these exercises strengthen your core and how they are so effective in melting fat. Let's start right away with some science. Ab exercises like planks and crunches are what we call dynamic and isometric movements. They work your core muscles while stabilizing your entire body. When you activate your entire core, you burn more calories overall. Here's the unfiltered truth. Spot reduction, the attempt to burn fat in just one area, is a big myth that many people still believe. In order to lose belly fat, you have to engage your entire body. It's holistic and interconnected. The good news is, ab exercises boost your metabolism, especially when combined with a calorie deficit and the right foods. If you stay on track, focus on these science-backed exercises, and support your goals from the kitchen, you'll see the results you want even faster than you expected. We're almost ready to jump into fat-burning ab variations. Before we do, we've got to spot check our form. Form, technique, body positioning are crucial if you want to see results, make progress, and avoid injury. Here's a look at two essentials, the plank and the crunch. A plank should start from a push-up position followed by placement of both forearms on the ground. This is done while keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Once you're in this position, engage your core and hold. When performing a crunch, lie flat on your back with feet flat on the ground and knees bent. Squeeze your abs and lift your shoulder blades off the ground, then lower back down slowly. These two exercises are the foundations of every ab workout. If done correctly, they will help you burn more calories and sculpt your stomach. With that out of the way, let's ignite the fat burn with some killer ab variations. These exercises don't just target your core, they get your heart rate up too, helping you burn more calories and belly fat. First up, mountain climbers. Get into a push-up position and alternate bringing your knees to your chest as fast as you can. This move doubles as cardio, spiking your heart rate while working your core. Second on the list, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring one knee to the opposite elbow while extending the other leg and alternate sides. It's just like riding a bike. Next up, we have leg raises. Lie flat on your back, lift both legs up to a 90-degree angle and lower them back down slowly. This movement targets your lower abs in an amazing way. Fourth on the list, Russian twists. From a seated position, lean back slightly and twist your torso from side to side. Add a weight if you want to make it even more challenging. Last up, hold a plank. Make sure you hold that plank with great posture. This engages your core and challenges you to keep great form. Now, let's incorporate these ab exercises into a routine designed to torch belly fat. Grab a timer. Then, jump into this simple interval workout. We are going to do 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Then, 30 seconds of bicycle crunches. Next, hold a plank for 30 seconds. Once you're done, rest for 30 seconds. Repeat this circuit 3 to 5 times. Take breaks if needed. And make sure to keep a water bottle close by. Now, an important reminder. Abs are made in the kitchen, as much as they are during a workout. In order to get the best results and optimize belly fat burn, you have to win the nutrition game. And it's not as easy as just being in a slight calorie deficit. It's about eating the right foods that fuel your body and support your goals. Here are 3 powerhouse foods backed by science that will fuel your results. Number 1, eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and healthy fats. Studies show that consuming protein-rich foods like eggs can boost metabolism to burn between 80 and 100 calories per day as a result of something known as a thermic effect. This thermic effect also helps build and repair muscle, which increases your resting metabolic rate. Our next food, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein and probiotics. Research suggests that high-protein dairy foods can increase feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. The additional probiotics in yogurt support gut health, which plays a role in reducing inflammation, a factor linked to belly fat. Number 3, avocados. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and healthy fiber. According to studies, diets rich in monounsaturated fats can help reduce belly fat by regulating the hormones associated with fat storage. Plus, the fiber keeps you fuller for longer. helping you stay on track with your calorie goals. By adding these nutrient-dense foods to your diet and staying consistent with your workouts, you'll fuel your muscles and maximize your fat-burning potential. One last thing. Don't forget, schedule your rest days. Recovery is a big key in keeping your metabolism high, strong, and efficient. Thanks for watching.